What?
I'm 1 minute. I'm nearly done. Hi. Presenting a very synchronized team here at Birchbox. We both wore grey. And we are gonna talk about a product that Alex can't live without.
This is my go-to mascara. Literally changed my life. I really like a mascara that can get to my lower lashes. Sometimes they clump together. So for me, a mascara that can actually hook on and really lengthen without clumping is such a bonus, and this one for me really does the trick. So that's why I challenged you with this guy.
Okay,
Passing the baton.
I'm taking my baton for the week. Okay gang, I'm just about to head out the door, but I wanted to show you against a really nice white background my lashes before. Looks good. Yeah, you can really see it there. It's like pow! Pow!
All right, so it's Saturday night. Okay, so nice wand. Not too comfy. In fact, not comfy at all as far as I can see. Oh my goodness, that's a massive difference. I'm trying to get ready to go out to run some errands, you know, the usual. I'm gonna put some stuff on my lashes.
This morning, I didn't have enough time to get ready and put my makeup on, so I've just snuck upstairs to the studio at Birchbox. So this is before. So overall, feels good. It's comfy, it does last all day. I like it. Love that when I turn to my profile, I'm like, oh, I can really see it now.
That's the 3D part.
That's
it
the 3D
really does.
part.
It like adds a whole different dimension to where your lashes are. It's crazy.
The only thing that Alex tried to convince me about was putting mascara on my lower lashes.
How do you even do this? Oh, you know what? I like it.
But overall, it was a great experience. Can we do a little mascara dance real quick?
Okay.
It caught on my hair. That's another edition of Product I Can't Live Without.
And please leave us comments below. We'd love to know what you think, and we're eager to try anything you throw our way.
Yep. See you soon.
I don't know what I just said. I'm sorry.
That was good.
Okay.
That was good.
Okay.